Greetings and welcome back to the mat. This is Yoga Taught by Taylor. I'm going to give you 3 postures for movement before you leave your bed. So meet me on your back. Soles of the feet come together, knees nice and wide. We're coming into recline butterfly. Hands to the low belly. Allow the eyes to close. And the breath to deepen. Feel the rise and the fall of your belly underneath your hands. Breathe into those sensations you may be feeling in your hips. We'll take 2 more. Gently closing the knees like you're closing a book. Palms come down by your side, facing up. Send both legs up and out. Let's squeeze and flex the toes. Nice and wide and squeezing tight. Rolling out the ankles. This posture is really good for our circulation. Anytime we can get our feet over our heart. Coming back to center, we'll exhale, lower the left leg all the way down. Bending the right knee. Squeeze it in toward you. Right hand comes out into a T. We're going to roll our right knee over to the left. Nice deep twist. Gaze to the right. Knee to the left. Breathe into the base of your spine. Scan your body and soften. Release. And back to center. Taking the leg up and out. Exhale, slowly lower. Inhale, rise with the left. Bend at the knee. Squeeze it in. Let it roll to the right. Gaze to the left. Back to center. Lengthening up and out. Exhale, slowly lower. Peace fingers up. We're going to grab a hold of the big toe. Soles of your feet up and out towards the ceiling. Let your knees fall down towards your mat. We're in happy baby. Go ahead and remember to smile, inviting in that childlike joy and ease, creativity and fun before you start your day. Rocking it out side to side. Coming back to center, hugging in the knees, squeezing in, making a nice tight ball. Exhale, release. Hands come to the back of the thigh. Gently rock up to a seated posture. Crossing the legs, closing the eyes, hands to heart center. May this day be joyous and full of ease. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you. Peace.